Just 3?
Yeah, 3 is
Okay.
good enough. And scissors. Let's see how tight it is. Nice job. That ain't moving nowhere. So there you go. There it is.
Okay.
Now put your shunt in. Now notice, what's this thing here? That's the plaque. You're going to do an endarterectomy of that thing.
Yeah.
But first you got to get in the shunt. So up here and then down here. You'll be able to insinuate pretty well. But when you put in the shunt, you're going to have to release this, right?
Oh,
you have to release the vascular control. So,
one do you
and then
put?
your assistant will be holding it up. Hold this. We're going to hold this up for you. You put in the shunt. You have to use 2 hands for maximum benefit. Yeah, nice. Okay, get that thing in. Now you loosen the snare. Get it in. Good. See that?
Yeah.
Feel that. The shunt is in
Yeah.
there. So now you're going to get positioned this again, like that. Okay, go ahead. Snap it. Yeah. That's perfect. All right. Now do the same thing down here. Yep. So yeah, it's going to be a little bit harder because you got to bend it.
Okay.
Okay. So go ahead and bend it. You get it insinuated.
Oh no,
That's
they're
okay.
all
Yeah, they're all up. So just go ahead, see if you can. I don't know if you can or not. Yeah, grab it with your forceps and then just kind of manhandle it into that. Here. We're going to have to do a little bit, yeah, do it a little bit longer. Yeah, good. And now you'll be